Cucumber is one of the famous vegetables people use in dishes at present. With the scientific name Cucumis sativus, cucumber is broadly grown in North America. Also, the plant's origin is South Asia. Picture a glass of water filled with slices of cucumber. Is there literally anything more refreshing? Hi, I'm Lida. Welcome to my channel. Today I will present 8 cucumber health benefits you shouldn't ignore. Number 1, they contain antioxidants and micronutrients. Scientists have been hard at work debunking the idea that cucumbers are basically salad filler. According to the experts, cucumbers contain a group of polyphenols called lignans, which may be helpful in treating estrogen-related cancers. Number 2, weight management. One health benefit of cucumber is weight management, particularly weight loss. First, cucumber contains water, which provides a sense of fullness to the person. The person thinks that he is full, so he will not crave for more food. This reduced food intake results in weight loss due to allocation of macronutrients, carbohydrates, and fats. Number 3, anti-cancer. Another health benefit of eating cucumber is cancer prevention, not to mention that cancer is one of the deadliest diseases in the world. Number 4, cardiovascular health. The health of the heart and the blood vessels is also part of the health benefits of cucumber. Cucumber contains potassium, a mineral that plays a pivotal role in heart function. First, potassium facilitates muscle contractility. Without enough potassium in the body, the muscles would feel tired, reducing their overall function when performing the activities of daily living. Number 5, regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure or hypertension can leave you at risk for developing an aneurysm, stroke, or worse. Since cucumbers are high in the electrolyte potassium, they may reduce sodium-induced water retention and thus lower blood pressure. Number 6, strong digestive system. Basically, all the calories in cucumbers come from fiber. Fiber helps improve gut health and bowel movement regularity. It is beneficial in managing certain conditions like diabetes and high cholesterol, and it will even fill you up to prevent you from overeating. Number 7, helps strengthen your bones. Calcium isn't the only nutrient that keeps your bones strong. Think about opting for vitamin K, rich cucumbers more often as well. Number 8, help regulate diabetes. Similar to how they can help you maintain a healthy weight, cucumbers are clutch at keeping diabetes in check. Because they're rich in water, they expand in your stomach and thus reduce cravings for sugary snacks, which is a great way to regulate insulin levels. That's 8 cucumber health benefits you shouldn't ignore. If you enjoy watching this video, please share it to your friends.